Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're a beginner surfer looking for the perfect beach to catch some waves, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to share with you the best beach for beginner surfers in Europe. So grab your surfboard and let's go. The beach we're talking about is located in the beautiful town of Lagos, Portugal. The beach is called Praia do Amado and it's one of the most popular destinations for beginner surfers in Europe. The beach is known for its consistent waves and sandy bottom, which makes it the perfect spot for those just starting out. But what really sets Praia do Amado apart from other beginner surf spots is the stunning scenery. The beach is surrounded by towering cliffs and crystal clear waters that will take your breath away. It's truly a paradise for surfers and nature lovers alike. In addition to the great waves and beautiful scenery, Praia do Amado also has plenty of surf schools and rental shops. So if you don't have your own gear, don't worry. You can easily rent a board and wetsuit from one of the many shops in the area. So there you have it, the best beach for beginner surfers in Europe, Praia do Amado in Lagos, Portugal. It's the perfect spot to catch some waves, soak up the sun, and enjoy all that this beautiful town has to offer. So what are you waiting for? Book your next surf trip to Praia do Amado and get ready to ride some waves. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.